Hi there, students. Illative or illative, I think you could pronounce it in both ways. Let's see. Illative is something that is a consequence, relating to a consequence. So, for example, illative conjunctions like therefore. Okay, it gives the consequence, and this is the idea of illative. I switched off the light and therefore it was dark. That's illative. That's an illative phrase. Yeah, it's talking about consequences, propositions. It's an inference. Yeah. So illative words are things that tell you what's going to happen. Thus, yeah, I had been working all day and thus I was tired. Here again, this is an illative phrase or an illation. You can also use illative to talk about a grammatical case. Now, this doesn't really exist in English. I think it exists in Hungarian and Finnish and various other languages. It means motion towards or motion into. So I put the pen into my hand. That's illative. So it's a specific type of locative case. Illative. To put it in or motion towards. I went into the room. Okay, so the room is going to be in the illative case. I went into the room. An illation, the act of making a conclusion. Yeah, you take a set of premises, a set of ideas, and you reach a conclusion or a deduction. That's illative. So Sherlock Holmes delighted in illative problems where he needed to make deductions. Yeah, he was always making illations. So the illative case, yeah, movement into something. In Finnish, in Hungarian, in Quechua as well. I quite like that. Okay, so the illative case, moving into something or towards something. Okay, so expressing an inference. Yeah, so an illative word. Let's see, what are the illative words? Therefore would be a good one. Thus, consequently. As a result of this, these are all illatives. Yeah, illative words. Yeah, they words that express illation. They express inferences. Yeah, they give you conclusions. Yeah, okay, so one thing happens because of another. So you infer that something is going to happen. Or this illative case used to express motion to or into something. Okay, so illative, illation, a consequence, an inference. You make a deduction, and this is the inference that you make. Okay, so illative, relating to an illation. Yeah, related to an inference. Okay, so an illation. Now, let's see, what about formality? I think this is a rare word, and I think you're going to find most native speakers don't know what this means. So if you use it, you're definitely going to have to explain it. As to formality, I think I'm probably going to give it a 7, maybe 7.5 in formality. This is going right up in formality, maybe even an 8 if you want. I would only use it in a semi-formal or formal writing. Yeah, I guess you could use it in one of your more formal essays, and it would sound quite good in that. And then the origin, it comes from from Latin, illatus, which actually, illatus comes from the verb infero. Yeah, inside, and fero, to carry. So, to carry inside. So, the conclusion it carries something inside it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Yeah, that would be therefore give it a rating, an illative. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Illative, the illative case.